Hey everybody, thank you for watching another video. I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. Has not been opened yet. I like to be surprised. Ooh, focus! I like to be surprised when I open the boxes. Surprised on camera. So you get a genuine response from me. Here is my bundle. Okay. Paperwork. I'm moving right along today. I got a lot of things to do. Today is Sunday. Busy day. First item. A dress. It's the first item. Second item. Oh, this is very cute. Now, I can't remember what I asked for. I never remember. Like 2 weeks go by between my fixes, 2 to 3 weeks, and I can't remember what I asked for, but I'm pretty sure I did ask for a white blouse. So, I'm happy to receive this. This is nice and cottony. I think I like that. This is a very loose, flowy top, looks like. Kind of like a rusty color. What is the lighting doing? You know, the lighting outside just, I think a cloud, just blocked the sun. Let's just act like we don't hear that phone going. So I'm trying to figure out if this line goes across the front or the back. I guess I'll figure it out when I put it on. This is purple. It's got some ruching on the side. I guess that's what you call it. It's a dress, and you may not be able to tell the color, but it's purple. It's a deep purple. And last item, I got it upside down. This is a top, a short sleeve top. Okay. All right. Let's get ready. Oops. Yeah, that fell. Let's get ready for the try on. Okay, this is the first dress. It's the purple. Um, I like it. It shows an awful lot around here. I would have to do this all day. Whew. So, oh gosh, yeah, that split is awfully high. I find myself pulling it down. The back, I like the opening in the back. I think that's really pretty. The dress is nice, but you know, I'm not one for wearing a whole bunch of shapewear and stuff just to not show extra. And I would definitely have to do that with this dress. So I'm going to have to give this one some thought. It is a very pretty color. Love the purple. But this split is a little too risque for me, I think. If you turn it just the wrong angle, it would be a disaster. Okay. Next item. Here we are with another dress. This one is navy. This comes here with violet and all kind of pinks. Nice fit. It's pretty good. Bunches here just a little bit, but not too bad. No splits, no walking slits, and that's okay. Oh, I'm pulling at it. You know, I don't like to have to pull at my clothes. It's not too bad. I like this one. Kind of cute. Okay. I like this one. See, once I move around a bit, it'll end up coming up. You ever see those women, and I have been one of them. They're walking and they walk half a block, they're pulling at the skirt or the dress. They're walking another half a block, you're pulling it down. So, yeah, I don't want to have to do that anymore. So, this fits nice, but I'm thinking maybe one size bigger. You guys let me know. But then it might fit too baggy to something. I don't know. Right now it seems fine, but so I'm trying to walk to see if it, and it does. It bunches, but I don't think it bunches too much. All right, let me know what you think. Here's the white top. Move this camera up a little bit. Okay, so obviously pulled down like this. I don't really like it pulled down, so we stretch it a little bit. This is better. A little dip down in the back. I pulled it off my shoulders a little bit. To wear it on the shoulders. I like it. I think if I wore it with jeans or pants, I wouldn't do it. I mean, these pants obviously have a button, so that kind of, you see all, and these are the loops that you see. So maybe something that was a little smoother around the waistband and high-waisted. Some high-waisted jeans would be better with this, because this is, I mean, this is like really long. And yeah, I really would like a white top or something. I mean, it's kind of cute. Um, I'm just playing with this a little too much and fighting with it. So I don't know if I'm going to have to do that. So, we'll see. Fits well under the arms and across the shoulders. And it's not irritating whereby, you know, sometimes you wear these kind of tops. When you lift your hand or do something, you constantly got to readjust it. This doesn't feel like it would have to be constantly readjusted because it's off, but it's not off. Which I could still do. I mean, that's kind of cute too. It's cottony. Oh, is it see-through? A little bit. Yeah, kinda. Which is why it's good it has this ruffle. Kinda like it. Kinda like it. Um, so we'll see. Want to check the prices, because you know that will determine, for me anyway, how much I might like it. Because if it's a great price, I'm like, okay, I can work with this. But if it's something outrageous with Stitch Fix, which sometimes they have been known to be, then it'll be a no. Alright. Here we are with this. This is a dusty rose color top. See what it's doing on the side. It's got the little ties. So yeah, I'm not feeling this one just because it's not me. I don't. I don't really like pink because it doesn't go well with my skin tone. I don't think. if I was to squish this up a little bit, see, just to me it's junky looking. So I don't know. I don't particularly like this one. Maybe we had the right shoes. Alright, this is why I need you guys' help, because some items you know that you like, and other items you kind of iffy on. This one I'm leaning towards a no, but if you guys got some ideas what it might look cute with, but yeah, this is not one of my favorites. We have one more to try on. Okay, here we are with the last top. This is a rusty orange color. Um, burnt orange, maybe? No, a little different than burnt orange. I can't think what the color's called. So, I'm not big on showing cleavage, so I would feel uncomfortable and I would keep pulling at this all day. You probably should wear it a little lower like this, but you guys can't tell, but it's a lot going on right here, right now. I'm not a fan. It's very bulky and flowy. I'm not feeling that in this top. I don't know. This one's still had those days where you just full of indecision. Can't seem to make up your mind about anything. I think I'm having one of them days. So maybe I should hold on to my box for a couple days extra. Try all this stuff on again in a few days and see what I think then. And also hopefully get the opinion of whoever's watching, if you guys wouldn't mind telling me what you think. So, okay. Alright. Let's come down here and go over pricing. Hold on. Alright, let's go over pricing. This is my style card. My stylist, as usual, is Courtney S. Okay, the first item is this white ruffle top, which I guess of everything, this may have actually been my favorite. This is called the Nopalita Ruffle Overlay Adjustable Knit Top. And the price of that one is $48, and it was in a size medium. This pink one, or rose, dusty rose. You guys remember this one? This is the one that had the ruffles down the bottom, or the tie down the bottom. This one is called Market and Spruce. Oh, the other one was a Market and Spruce also. This is the Market and Spruce Barberry Lace Up Side Cotton Blend Knit Top. Now, all of this stuff is going to be down the bottom, so you can look down the bottom if you want to see what all the pricing is. But I'm giving you the prices so you can get my thoughts on if it's too much or not. So this one is, it is called, the color is light pink, it's a medium, and it's $48. So yeah, I didn't love it, $48 worth. We have, let's do this one. I mean, this wasn't bad, but this is just, for me, it would be like a throw-on top. Throw on and go, and I'm not really, I want something that's cuter than a throw on and go for me. I mean, I think it's really cute, but I don't know if, I'm not, see, so indecisive. This one is called the Alloway, this is by LUC, Loop. Alloway Cutout Neckline Detailed Knit Top. It is in burnt orange, that's the color, and it's a medium, and it's $36. I kind of like that price for it. But if I'm going to be worried about this all day, but if I'm out with my husband, it'll be okay. So, we'll see. Then we have the purple dress. with the risque split opening, whatever you want to call it. Don't let the wind blow wearing this. This one is called the Josephine knit dress. I wonder if I got this in a bigger size. Maybe that would solve the split problem because it would drop lower. But you know, with Stitch Fix, you can exchange stuff for another size, but once you do, you've paid for it. So if that second size you pick doesn't fit, then you're out of luck. At least to my knowledge, that's how it is. I bet you could probably email them and say, this one didn't work either, so take it off my bill or something. I don't know. Never tried it. So Josephine knit dress, purple, that was in a size small, and it's $54. I think this is going to be an inexpensive fix for me because most of the stuff I'm not getting. The last item is the dress. Remember the dress. Navy with the flowers. This is called Tressa Ponte dress by Wisp. And it's a navy, color 2 petite. The color is a 2 petite. Color navy, size 2 petite, $74. So, did not love it $74 worth. Everything all together is $260. 25% discount, $65. Total, $195. So far, what I'm leaning towards is the white top, which is $48. I think that might be the only item that I keep. I don't know, but would I even want to pay $48? Now, I'm on that $49 for 12-month stylist fee, so I didn't have a stylist fee to deduct. You know, and I kind of don't like that because I kind of like paying $20, getting my box, and then if something is $48, I feel like, okay, I've already paid the $20, so I could just pay $28. I kind of miss that a little bit. So now I have to pay the full price of the $48, and it, to me, makes it feel more expensive and more of a no. So I don't know. I'm going to give this some thought over a few days. Maybe I need to actually try this stuff on again. And yeah, because I'm feeling very indecisive today. And I'm hungry. So I think I need to go eat. And maybe I'm not myself when I'm hungry. I'm getting hangry. Maybe that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And as usual, I really want to hear you guys' thoughts because you guys are so nice about the things that you say. You find ways to be very honest in your opinion, but say it in nice ways, and I really appreciate that. So that's one of my goals in life anyway, to be honest, but do it in a nice way. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.